This is a nice one. Okay, Mishnah Hay has got nothing to do with Shekalim. ביאור משנה ה' אגב סיום המשנה הקודמת, because of the ending of the previous Mishnah, מובא במשנתנו תיאור מעשה הפרוכת. We're going to learn how they used to make the parochet. Nothing to do with us, but since we're talking about it, we're going to get a Mishnah about how it was made. רבן שמעון בן גמליאל אומר, Rabban Shimon says, Mishum Rabbi Shimon ben Asgan. He says it in the name of Rabbi Shimon, the son of the minister of Kohanim. There used to be a minister of Kohanim, he was the son. Parochet avia tefach. It says the parochet was the thickness of it was one tefach. Yeah? ועל 72 נימים נהרגת. And it had 72 ropes, strands. נימים היינו חוטים, ויש גורסים נירים, והם החוטים הכרוכים על הקנים שבכונת ההריגה. So there's a thing that goes in and out, like this, like to make the rug, yeah? So there were 72 of the strings going through, and then one string probably goes back and forth, to catch it. But there's 72 strings, okay? ועל כל נימה ונימה 24 חוטים. And every string used to be made out of 24 other strings. So there was 24 strings on every string. שהפרוכת הייתה עשויה מארבעה מינים. 6 of each on every string. Which are the 6? תכלת, ארגמן, there was blue, there was red, תולעת שני ושש, וכל מין ומין חוטו כפול 6. And so 6 of every, one of blue, one of red, one of whatever it is. אורכה 40 אמה, the length of it, of the parochet, was 40 אמה, around 40 meters, right? ורחבה 20 אמה, 40 by 20, 40 on 20. כמידת פתח העולם, because this is the opening of the עולם. שהיה גבוה 40 ורחבו 20. That was the opening. The height was 40 and the width was 20. ו-82 ריבו נעשית. And from 820,000 it was done. What's this 820,000? פירושים אחדים מובאים במפרשים הפסקה הזאת. There's many explanation which 820,000 we're talking about. שכך היה מספר חוטים. Altogether, that was the amount of strings it had, 820,000. And bet, שכך היה סכום הכסף שהוציאו עליה. There's another opinion, it wasn't the amount of strings, it was the amount of money it costed, 820,000 shekel, whatever. היינו 820,000 דינר, 820,000 dinar. Okay, that's how much it cost. A lot of money. ג' שגורסים וב-82 ריבות נעשית, and some say no, that's not the explanation. Some says, כלומר ש-82 נערות בתולות היו עוסקות בריגתה. It means that there were 82 women who used to do the work in order to make one of these rugs. It required, usually, you make a saying, one woman is enough. For this, 82 women used to do. ושתיים עושים בכל שנה, and they would make 2 every year. One for Rosh Hashanah, one for Yom Kippur, it looks like. No, sorry. One for Rosh Hashanah, one for Sukkot. One for Rosh Hashanah, one for Sukkot, and you would exchange them. ושתיים עושים בכל שנה. שתי פרוחות חדשות היו עושים בכל שנה. 2 new פרוחות, they would do every year. והרמב"ם כותב, the Rambam writes, שתי פרוחות היו עושים בכל שנה. 2 separation they would do, 2 parochot they would do בכל שנה, להבדיל בין הקודש לקודש הקודשים, to make distinction between the holy and the holy of holies. Okay. ו300 כהנים מטבילים אותה. And when it used to get impure, in order to put it into the mikveh, you needed 300 kohanim to put it in the mikveh. Why? מפני כובדה, because it was so heavy. היו צריכים 300 כהנים כדי להטבילה. You needed 300 kohanim in order to dip it. I don't think it was 300. Yeah. I don't think it was 300, we're going to see soon. בברטנורה מבואר, in ברטנורה it explains, שהיו צריכים להטביל כל פרוכת חדשה. It says, whenever it was done, you needed to go to the mikveh, like any vessel. After you do it, it goes to the mikveh. לפי שכלים הנגמרים, אף על שנגמרו בטהרה, because even though the vessels they were done, everything in impurity צריכים טבילה. Nevertheless, needs to go to the mikveh. בגמרא אמרו, in the Gemara they says, שהמספר 300 כהנים לשון גוזמה היא. The Gemara says, you don't really need, it doesn't really mean that there was actually 300 kohanim. They exaggerate a little bit. והכוונה היא שהיה צורך במספר רב של כהנים להטבלת הפרוכת. And what they mean in, it was very heavy, you needed a lot of people. This is the way they said it.